The supermarket industry has flourished in recent years, but operational challenges have also arisen. Customer purchasing behavior is somewhat random, and product freshness often influences their buying decisions. At present, to maximize the appeal of products, supermarkets use high power and high illuminance lighting, but it consumes significant electricity and relies on manual control for energy saving. Furthermore, given the short shelf life of fresh produce, high-power lighting may accelerate product spoilage, further impacting the supermarket's operating costs and efficiency. Camada AI lighting restores the true colors of products, enhances their visual appeal, extends shelf life, and empowers supermarkets to reduce costs and improve efficiency. 1. Significant energy savings and reduced operating costs. Traditional lighting systems consume a large amount of electricity, and to achieve energy savings, they typically rely on manual judgment of customer traffic to set energy-saving periods. This is not only inefficient but also incurs significant labor costs. The Camada AI lighting system, through remote timing control functions, can automatically adjust lighting brightness based on customer traffic during different time periods, achieving autonomous energy savings. In addition, it can accurately locate customers, ensuring that lights turn on or off when people arrive or leave, further saving electricity. According to statistics, after choosing Camada AI lighting, the supermarket can save over $50 in lighting electricity costs annually while significantly reducing overall operating costs. 2. Enhance appearance and restore true color of products. The freshness of products needs to be displayed through appropriate lighting. If the lighting is inaccurate, it can cause product color distortion, affecting appearance, leading to slow sales, and making it difficult to maintain pricing and profits. Moreover, fresh products are diverse and seasonal, requiring frequent lighting changes during product replacements, which increases the cost of changing lights. Camada AI lighting based on full spectrum. It can restore the original true color of fresh products, making meat look fresher and more appealing, vegetables greener, and fruits shinier and juicier. Thus, it enhances the overall product appearance, speeds up sales, and helps merchants maintain profits. Regardless of how fresh products are combined or replaced, Camada AI lighting can match the color needs of all products with a single light. No need to replace lighting fixtures, completely eliminating the cost of changing lights. 3. Create a comfortable shopping light environment and extend product shelf life. Using traditional high-power, high-illuminance lighting often results in unsatisfactory supermarket lighting environments, not only affects the shopping experience but may also lead to the loss of potential customers. Moreover, the heat generated by high-power lighting accelerates moisture loss in fresh products, reducing freshness and increasing spoilage. Based on the energy-saving mode of Camada AI lighting, it uses lower illuminance to protect the quality of fresh products and extend their shelf life. This transforms what could have been waste into profit. Meanwhile, ensures that the lighting in idle areas of the supermarket maintains uniform color, temperature and brightness. Provides a comfortable shopping light environment for every customers, thereby increasing transaction rates. 4. Optimize store layout and boost efficiency. Camada AI lighting system can detect in-store customer traffic and analyze product popularity to help merchants identify best-selling products. Can also helps optimize store layouts, creating more profit opportunities. It supports precise marketing and efficient management. Camada AI lighting, the light of knowing you.